What's going on YouTube? It's the boy VC coming back with another video. So today you guys, I'm gonna be talking about forks. Don't know what forks is? Guess you're just gonna have to pay attention to the video. If you're new to the channel, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and comment down your Instagram name, as I want to connect with as many of you guys as possible. Thank you for viewing this video, so let's get into it. Alright guys, so as you can see, I am using the SelfCutSystem 2.0 with Heaven Lights, and we're gonna hit this unrug. So super quick, we're gonna identify what exactly a fork is. I'll be using this comb by SBL Styles. Using my discount code, the real VC at checkout, to get you a nice discount. Love this rat comb from SBL Styles. So the fork will be right here. As you can see, the rest of my hair flows together. So a fork comes from when you brush your hair at two different angles. As right here, I'm currently shifting my crown to make it more of a swirl pattern compared to a basic 360 beehive, which is something I used to have, but I wanted to shift it to more of a swirl pattern. So that's why I'm shifting it. But right here, you can see the crash and waves, as well as right up in here. It's easy to shift it on this left side, as it's mostly just going straight down like this, then coming right across. But what you'll do to break a fork, you'll first comb out your hair. Now that my hair is combed out, you'll be able to see more forks that I have throughout my hair, especially right here. As I was combing it how I brush my hair now, and you're able to see a part right up in there, which shows that I'm shifting my crown, but also I'm not brushing and combing it consistently. So what you will want to do is right here, you gotta completely go straight. That way you're able to break all these forks up here, closer towards the edge of my hair, as well as attack that one fork right here. And you're not gonna break all your forks at once. You're gonna want to break one fork at a time. But in that process, you'll be able to aid the process of breaking other forks. But you will want to completely go against it, just to ensure that you're getting rid of it. The way to break them is to go against it right in the middle to get rid of that crash, and then you comb it how you want it. That's the purpose of using a mirror while you're brushing, compared to just going at it with one hand or blind brushing all the time. It's important to blind brush as you are getting process with brushing, but it's also important to use a mirror just as much as you're going to be blind brushing. Also extremely important to comb your hair every single day, as you create tension with brushing your hair so much. So it's best to comb it. That way you're able to relieve that tension and free up your hair. That way it can flow better after washing good or rinsing it in the shower. You're able to get a nice flow, and it'll often soften your hair and make your hair healthier in the process. And combing also helps connect waves, as you can see with this rat tail comb, it gets deep down to my scalp. So it's attacking the hair, compared to a brush kind of just lays it in place once it's already set. With a comb, you're able to structure it and design it how you want, because the wave pattern is what you make it. You can have a beehive, you can have a swirl, 540s or 720s. So whatever you want to make it, you're able to do so with the comb, and it also takes time. So don't be upset or in a rush to brush your hair, or upset that you can't break a fork in, say, 2 or 3 days. It's gonna take time, just as it took time for you to get waves, or say you're starting waves. It's gonna take time, especially when you're in the beginning. I love using the SelfCut system. I've been using it for about a week now, and personally it's the best investment that I've ever made, mostly because it's allowed me to see literally all sides of my head while standing in one place, so I'm not having to use both arms to hold the mirror or turn a certain way just to see my hair. I'm able to put this up and literally see right here. I can see this left side. I can also see this side over here looking that way, and I'm standing in the same spot. So it's saving me time and energy twisting and flipping around, but it's also allowing me to see every single angle. That way I'm able to break forks easier compared to having to struggle and my arms be tired due to me holding a mirror for however long my brush session is. Well, in this case, a combing session. You can also break forks doing washing styles a lot. I suggest doing washing styles about 2 to 3 times a week, depending on how active you are or how dirty your hair gets. As far as brushing, I'll be using this hard brush, Far Up Kiss for Men.
Depot on the beat.
Now, after all your brush sessions, make sure you put on a nice quality do-rag. Notice you put in the work today. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Turn on post notifications, because I post a video every single week. You don't want to miss it. Follow me on Instagram, TheRealBC2. Like my most recent post. Comment that you watched my YouTube video. Thank you guys for watching. It's your boy BC. We out.